How to add, edit, and delete profiles. To add a new student, click Switch Profile, then click Add New Student. Complete the required information, which includes first name, gender, and date of birth. You can also add health alerts, body composition, and a picture to the profile. When you're done, click Save to save your new profile. To edit your profile, select Switch Profile, Edit, and the pencil icon. The app will take you to a new screen where you can edit a variety of information. Select the green Edit button to make changes to the name, date of birth, gender, or health alerts. You can also update or make changes to measurements for body composition, as well as edit and add any new notes. When you're done, click Save to save any changes, click Main Menu to return to the previous screen, and click Done. If you need to delete a profile, select Switch Profile, Edit, and select the trash icon. A message will pop up confirming that you want to delete this profile and all its data. Select Yes to delete, select No to cancel.